Welcome back to KP's Kingdom, cooking with KP, and today I'm going to show you a really easy one-pan dish, and it's going to be my oven-baked Thai chicken red curry in coconut cream or coconut milk. Alright, first thing I've got is a casserole dish, a oven-braided casserole dish, and I'm going to put in a little bit of red Thai curry paste. I'm not going to add too much. Mrs. KP doesn't like too much heat, and probably around about a tablespoon's worth. And I'm going to add in around about 200 grams worth of coconut cream. Right, I'm just going to put that straight into our dish, just like that. And let's start giving that a bit of a stir. Now, this dish is really quick, really easy, and won't cost an absolute fortune. It's just a real nice, quick and easy dish that you can do on any weeknight. So all we're going to do, mix all of that through, just like that. Really nice and simple. And I'm going to add in around about 2, maybe 3 teaspoons worth of fish sauce, and use a good quality fish sauce. It does make a difference. Right, here I've got some coriander. I'm going to cut off the little bits of the root, but I'm going to try and save most of it. I'm going to slice all of that up. It's probably around about 3 sprigs worth of coriander. I'm going to cut that up really nice and fine and take it nice and careful so you don't go through your fingers like I have done in the past. But I've only done it once on camera. Right, we're going to put all of that in as well. Put that into that beautiful little mixture that we've just made. Really simple mixture. Okay, so next thing I've got some chicken thighs. Use thighs, don't use chicken breast. Chicken breast will dry out, and I'm just going to cut these into nice little slices. You can cut them into chunks. You can put the whole thigh in there if you want to. It will take a little bit longer to cook, but make sure you use the thigh. It's got the fat, it's got the flavour of the chicken all in there. Alright, so I'm just going to cut these up into nice little chunks, and I'm going to put that straight into our mixture. Now, if you haven't had a Thai red curry before, or a Thai coconut red curry before, you don't know what you're missing. The flavours are so simple, so nice. Alright, about 2 teaspoons worth of garlic paste. I'll put that in, and I'm going to add in around about the same with some ginger paste as well. Alright, it's going to give this the really nice flavour. Give all of that a good stir, just like I'm doing right there. And I'm going to add in 1 small onion of thinly sliced, of course, and we're going to stir that in as well. Okay, so far so good. Anything too hard? I don't think so. Alright, so we're going to leave that as it is, put the lid on, and off that goes into the oven for around about 30 to 35 minutes, and 35 minutes is already gone by, and our chicken is already cooked through. We should have an internal temperature of 74 degrees Celsius, and it's time to serve up. Now, Mrs. KP is going to lay down a little bit of white rice, which she has cooked, and all we have to do now is serve our beautiful curry and some of that sauce straight over the top. How good does that look? That chicken is really nice and tender. That sauce is packed full of beautiful Asian and tropical type flavors with the coconut, and just add a little bit of sauce over the top, just like that, and the smell is absolutely incredible. Alright, serve that or top that off with a little bit of fresh coriander leaves if you want. Anyway, love you, see you try and make this one at home. Thank you so much for watching this video, really do appreciate it. And if you like this video, hit that like button, gives me confidence, should make you feel warm and fuzzy too. Don't forget to hit that notifications bell. You'll be notified every time a new video goes up. Please share this video with all your friends on all platforms of social media. We are trying to get the name of KP's Kingdom out there. Don't forget to leave a comment because I love reading and I do respond and read every single comment that goes up. In the meantime, if you want to learn how to make a nice easy one pan, one dish Thai style deal like this one, well, you need to come and join the family, my family. Hit that subscribe button and you'll never miss another one of my videos again. I'm off to eat my oven baked or oven cooked chicken Thai red curry and coconut milk curry, and I will catch you next time. Bye.